Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're introducing the wide jaw heavy duty nail clippers. It comes in a nice little pouch that you can hang somewhere, I guess. And it also comes with a file. Now there's no place on the actual pouch to put the file unless you squeeze it in behind the actual clippers, but still it doesn't fit. And it's glass too, so you've got to be careful. So it is a nail file, but it's very fine, so I won't be using that. So here are the clippers themselves. So they say it's made from high hardness stainless steel. It's got this locking button right there, so you can unlock it and they open up. So it's got a sharp double curved jaw right there. And I can tell you right now, they're very, very sharp. I'll show you a little bit later on. Hand nails or toenails, they should cut through very easily. It's got a wider handle for easy grip, so when you're gripping it. It's got a hole right there, so you can hang it on your keys if you wanted to. Okay, so in the jaw itself, they say that it catches your clippings. So it's got a little casing in here. So when you clip your nails, it should catch them in here. Now, because it's so wide, you've got to be really careful because you will capture your finger. If you do that, man, you've lost your finger, I'm telling you. So don't do it when you're drunk, that's for sure. So it is a wide lever design. So like I said before, it's a lockable design. So you can lock it that way. And so what you do is you push it forward and you pull it up and it unlocks. So it's got this little catcher inside. So I'll show you underneath. And it locks there. So like I said before, extra wide handle here, so for better grip. So let's cut some toothpicks and see how it works. I got my toothpicks here. Let's get a couple out. Now the blades again are designed, or the metal and the blades are designed to stay sharp for a very long time. It's got a good spring to it. So let's see. So obviously you'll be cutting your nails like this. So let's see if it catches the clippings. Let's do another one. Again, you're cutting your nails like this. As you can see, it catches them in there, which is pretty good. I like it. So my last thoughts on these are, yes, I will be using them, and I will be throwing away the other one, the conventional one that we all used to. I do believe that these are quite well made. Yeah, so I'll be using this from now on in the future. And if you're interested in one of these, the links are in the description, and we'll catch you on the next one real soon. Thanks, guys.